JTW World News, ladies and gentlemen. We're down at the EDC. The fireworks are going off. EDC.
Hey guys, having some complaints in the back that
We're at EDC. We got a 5-year contract in Vegas. The fireworks are going off. This is EDC, ladies and gentlemen. We're at the Las Vegas cab line. Fireworks are going off. This is JT World News. JT, everybody. Juggling Taxi. This is fireworks in Las Vegas, Nevada for the Electric Daisy Carnival, EDC. The kids are just having so much fun down here. They come back every single year. They got them high, they got them low. Here's the kids now. How was the carnival?
it was great.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
This is JT, Juggling Taxi World News. Hi guys.
Hi.
You guys have a good time?
Yeah.
What's better, Vegas or LA?
Miami.
Miami, whoa. You hear that? There's the fireworks. Hi guys, how are you? This is EDC, ladies and gentlemen. Ferris wheel over there. That's about the end, no? They're still going. You heard it, ladies and gentlemen. JTW World News. This is JT.